Okay, so this is 11.3 areas of circles and sectors. So here's your foldable. What I need you to do is, you see where this formula is? I need you to fold that like this. And then this is just gonna come up. It's gonna overlap. And then it's gonna look like this. Okay, you ready? I really sound like Dora right now. It's kind of crazy. Anyways. Okay, so the first side we're gonna go over is we're gonna go over circles right now. So you need to know the area of a circle. Remember, that is pi r squared. It's gonna be pi r squared. Remember, this is the radius, so it's going to be the radius squared. Okay, let's go ahead and get to example 1. See if y'all can see this. If you can't, I apologize. Okay, example 1, find the area of a circle. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Now remember, tenth has 1 0, so you're going to 1 decimal place. Okay, so they give me, my radius is 12. So I'm going to write down my formula. A equals pi r squared. Instead of using pi, I'm going to use 3.14. And we know that is going to be 12 squared. You should know what 12 squared is. And that's going to be 144. You're going to times that by 3.14. Your answer is going to be 452.2 centimeters squared. And that's all you do. It's pretty easy, right? Okay, let's look at number 2. Find the area of a circle. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer, once again, to the nearest tenth. Okay, let's use green this time. So once again, my teacher gives me credit for writing down my formula. So pi r squared. Still using 3.14. And this time I'm going to times it by 19 squared. I'm sorry. Yep, 19 squared. But wait, that's not my radius. What is my radius? Remember, it's half of this, so it's going to be 9.5. So it's not going to be 19. It's going to be 3.14 times 9.5 squared. So it's not going to be this. Once you put that in the calculator, it is going to be 283.4 feet squared. So make sure, if they give you the radius, if they give you the diameter, you have to use the radius for this problem. Okay? Makes sense? And yes, for the record, I did make that mistake on purpose. Okay? Yeah, don't try to play me. Number 3. Find the radius of the circle. So right now they gave me the area, and I need to go ahead and find the radius. So I'm still going to use the same formula. A equals pi r squared. This time they gave me the area. So I'm going to fill that in. 379.94 equals pi r squared. Okay? Now, still in these problems, I still want you to use 3.14. So I'm going to have 3.7994 equals 3.14 r squared. So what do you think I need to do? I need to get r by itself. So I'm going to divide everything by 3.14. And because I'm not there in person, I'm going to show all my work. So when I divide that, I'm going to get 121 equals r squared. Remember, what do I got to do in order to get rid of that r squared? That's right, I need to square root. And the square root of 121 is 11. So that is my answer. Okay, don't forget to put that your label is miles. Okay. Okay, we got the last one on this side, number 4. Okay. Number 4. We're going to find the diameter. So remember, that's the entire length or the width of the circle. Use 3.14 for pi. So in this case, still going to use my formula, a equals pi r squared. I still know my radius is going to be 19,625 meters squared equals pi r squared. Go ahead and substitute that for 3.14. So 19,625 equals 3.14 r squared. Once again, what do I have to do? I got to divide everything by 3.14, just like in the problem above. When I get that, I get 6.25 equals r squared. I'm going to have to square root that. And when I do, r equals 2.5. Now, am I actually finding r? No, I'm finding the diameter. So I'm going to have to multiply that by 2. So what is 2.5 times 2? The answer is going to be d equals 5 meters. Okay? Does everyone understand that? Okay, in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show how to solve the sectors. Alright? See you in a bit.